Hi, it's Mrs. Roll here. It looks like it is time for you to take your ELA SAGE test. I just want to encourage you to do the best that you can and to remind you, please put this test in its place. Remember that you are so much more than the test and you already have value just as you are. So whether you do well or you don't do well on this test, it doesn't, in the big scheme of things, make that much of a difference. I do want you to give it your best. You've done a lot of hard work this year and this semester. So let's go ahead and think about a few test taking tips that might help you along your way today. Give it a second.
Test,
Go ahead.
test taking tip number 1.
Put your finger up. Number one. Okay.
Take a deep breath and relax.
Good job.
Test taking tip number 2.
Two. Put your two right here.
Read the question first. Test taking tip number 3. Read the passage carefully.
Go.
Test taking tip number 4. Beside 4.
Show them 4.
4.
Oh, where is it? Right there. 4. Go.
Reread.
For understanding.
For understanding.
That's
Cha-cha-cha.
cha-cha-cha. That's right. Sometimes we need to reread for understanding, and it's okay to reread the passage to be sure that you understand it. Go.
Test taking tip number 5.
Show us your fingers all the way over in front of the camera. Over here. For 5. Go.
Use the process of
Elimination.
That's
right. Sometimes if we can eliminate 1 or 2 of the answers we think are wrong, then we raise our chances of getting the right answer. If we're choosing just between 2 of them rather than 4 of them, then you're more likely to get the right answer. Use your best guess to eliminate those that you think are not the right answers.
Test taking tip number 6. Prove it. Where's your textual evidence?
That's right. Once you've chosen your answer, go back to the passage and see if there's evidence there to support your answer. If you find some textual evidence to support the answer that you've chosen, it's more likely that you've chosen correctly. Okay, so now for my final test taking tip, move on. That's right. Now that you've chosen your answer, it's time to move forward and not look back. Trust yourself. Usually our first instinct is correct. So choose what you think is the best answer and then move forward and don't look back. All right, and finally remember that you can do this. It's just a test after all, and you are so much more than a test. It doesn't tell us anything about your value as a person or your value as a student at Utah Virtual Academy. So put the test in its place, take a deep breath, relax, do the best that you can, and then move forward. All right, enjoy.